Yeah, in this example, they're giving us a table of values up here. They're telling us, when x, there's some kind of function, which they're not giving us a formula for this function. We don't know what it is, but they're giving us the results. When x is 3.9, the function comes out to be 6.5. When you plug in 3.99, it comes out to be 6.95. Plug in 3.999, etc. Okay, so then they're asking this question over here. What is the limit as x goes to 4 from the left, right? That when you have that little negative on the upper right of 4, that's not a negative 4, that's x going close to 4. So that means x goes close to 4 from the left. This is the left, meaning from values that are smaller than 4. 3.9 or 99 or 999. Those are all values smaller than 4. So as gets close to 4 from the left, what does f of x, where does this appear to be going? You might say, well, it's going to 6. No, 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 no. Careful, that's not the answer. The answer is, look at these numbers. If I told you 6.5, 6.95, 6.9995, what is that getting really, really close to? It's getting really close to 7. 7. That's what the answer is, 7 there. 7. Not 6. Yeah, but right here, Mr. Heron, it's at 6. Yeah, I know, but remember this what you have to remember when they say the limit as x goes to 4 from the left. That means as, I'm sorry, I'm getting a little scribbly here. As x gets very close to 4 from the left, not right on x equals 4. See, that's the point of a limit. A limit is what happens as you get very, very close to that x value, not right on the x value. What are you approaching? What are you getting close to? Not where do you actually land? So a limit is um, not right on that. What value does f of x get very close approach? Get very close to. Right? So as x gets very close to 4, not right on 4. So we can't use this at all because these values here are when x is exactly 4, then f of x is exactly 6, but we can't use those. Instead, we're just going to use these values because that's what a limit means. A limit means as x gets really close to 4 from the left, what is the f of x getting close to? And the answer is 7. Let's try the next one. As x gets really close to 4, 4 plus from the right, as x goes to 4 from the right. So here's the x values. These are going to 4 from the right. See how it's getting closer and closer to 7. You might say, where'd you get the 7? 7.005. Well, look at what they're doing. Look at what they're getting close to. 7.5, 7.05, 7.005. It looks like it's getting really, really close to 7. Yeah, but right here at 6 again, we don't care about what it does right at the actual value. Just what is it getting close to as x heads, as x heads to 4, as x gets really, oops, keep bumping that. As x gets really close to 4 from the right, the function is getting really close to 7. And finally, then, what is the answer down here? This means right here, the overall left and right. Left and right must be the same or equal. If they're different, then it'll be D and E. So here's the deal with that. This is overall. So because it doesn't say right or left. See, it's out, it just says the limit as x goes to 4, This is overall, not just left side, not just right side. And for that to have an answer, the left and the right must be the same. They must be equal. If they're different, it's D and E. Well, what was the limit from the right side? It was 7. And what was the limit from the left side? It was also 7. They're the same. So the answer is 7. They're the same. If they were different, one of them was 7 and the other one was 6 or something, then we would have said D and E or undefined. Say or undefined. That's the same thing. D and E means does not exist or doesn't have a definition, undefined. If they were different, but they were not different. They were both 6, both 7. Sorry, the answer here was 7. The answer here was 7. The answer from the left and the right for both was 7. So then that's also the overall limit as x goes to 4. So again, the trick with this was they're making sure you understand that a limit, here's the main point up here. It's as x gets very close to 4, not right on 4. That's what a limit is. What value does f of x approach? I should have had some bad English there. Approach. What value does f of x approach? Well, as x gets really close to 4, these numbers look like they're headed to 7. And as x gets really close to 4 from the other side, these numbers seem like they're also headed to 7. Okay, yeah, but right at 4 it's 6. Yeah, but we don't care about right at. A limit is what you're getting close to. From the left and the right, in both cases, it's 7. And so then that means the overall limit is also 7. And so there we go.